While responding to calls from the disgruntled constituents of his backyard in Eldoret Town, Uasin Gishu County, President William Ruto, for the first time ever, delved into the Finland Education Airlift Program saga, which has become a thorn in the flesh for the parents, students, as well as leaders in the county. President Ruto promising to bring to book the perpetrators of the scandal through graft agencies.
Kama kuna mtu alikula hiyo pesa, ajipange kulipa mapema ama ataingia mtabani. Sindio? Hakuna maneno ya kubembelezana. Pesa ya ng'ombe ya mtu ama aliuza shamba, lazima arudishiwe pesa yake. Kwanza wanatuletea aibu. Sindio? These people are ni watu bure kabisa.
The head of state also pledged to assist the affected students.
Nitaona vile tutaweza kuwasaidia hawa watoto kwa sababu ni watoto wetu na ni watoto hawana hatia na ni watoto innocent. Sindio? So tutawapanga vile tunaweza kuwapatia scholarship ya nyumbani hapa waende wasome ndio tuweze kuendelea na mambo yao. Lakini sio kumaanisha ya kwamba wale waliiba pesa watahepa. Hawawezi. Hapana.
Parents, guardians and students affected by the scandal had organized demonstrations in the county to disrupt the ongoing devolution conference, but they called it off the last minute.
Tunataka pesa zetu tutoa watoto wasome, tusiendelee kukufa, tumekufa kama tuko hai.
Na ukweli ni kwamba pesa tulilipa kwenyu. We don't know any other source. We know only you people. So you constantly saying ati hamna pesa kwa account. Pesa ilienda wapi?
Former Uasin Gishu Governor Jackson Mandago has been mentioned in the saga. The Director of Public Prosecution has also added 3 names: Joseph Maritim, the immediate former Chief Office of the Youth and Sports; Meshach Rono, the Deputy Director of the County Education Revolving Fund and Trustee; and Joshua Lelei as people of interest in the case.
With time, we shall be vindicated. Tell me of any other county that has 277 students in Finland.
In May 2021, the Uasin Gishu County government partnered with the Tampere University in Finland in a program that saw students from the county are lifted to study in the country. The first batch of learners left the country in September 2021, 3 months after the deal was signed. However, a year later, the ship ran into turbulent waters and has not recovered since then, with delays in the disbursement of funds by the county, which had promised full scholarships for the learners, failing to land in their accounts. Emmanuel Tor, KT News.